In this video, I will show you how to see which of your contacts from your phone are actually on WeChat for easy add them to your WeChat account without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, I'm going to exit from my phone contact right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply open up your WeChat app. Then go ahead and click on me. Then go ahead and click on settings. Then go ahead and click on profile. Then go ahead and click on mobile number. Then go ahead and click on mobile contacts. Then here you go. Allow everything to load up, and here WeChat is going to show you every number you save on your phone that are actually in WeChat. Then from there you can easily add them as many as possible right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see some of the contacts you have on your phone that we are actually on WeChat. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your WeChat app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.